Ebonyi State, Monday mornings just got more informative, and this is your moment. Catch up on the week's top stories, exclusive interviews, and more. Bringing you Ebonyi People TV's weekly highlights every Monday. Good morning, my name is Faith Ijiriga. Governor Francis Ogbonanwefuru, during an inspection tour on September 6, 2024, visited the pulverization plant in Umuara, Ezza North local government area, accompanied by members of the Ebonyi State Executive Council. This visit was a significant step in the state's Waste to Wealth initiative. The governor evaluated the state-of-the-art sorting machines procured and revitalized by his administration. While these machines are currently used to sort various waste materials, Governor Nwifuru emphasized the need for future investments in machinery that can produce finished products. The current machines are designed to handle and sort waste materials efficiently, turning Ebonyi State's waste into a valuable resource. Governor Nwifuru also engaged with local residents, urging them to support the project. Governor Francis Ogbonanwefuru has announced that compensation will be promptly paid to those affected by the demolitions at Vanco Junction. Addressing concerns during the State Executive Council meeting during the week, Governor Francis emphasized the need to compensate affected individuals who have shown commendable patience. The State Executive Council has approved a compensation fund of 1,681 million naira to address the losses. A 7-man committee led by Engineer Obasi Abara, Honorable Commissioner for Infrastructure Development for Concession, has been established to oversee the payment process. The committee appointed to ensure the accurate distribution of funds will work closely with Dr. Matthew Mobasi, Commissioner for Lands and Survey. This step comes as part of the broader development plan for Vanco Junction, where a new state-of-the-art flyover is under construction. The flyover aims to ease traffic congestion, boost economic activities, and enhance the overall aesthetics of the capital city. Recently, rumors circulated alleging that a new university project, the University of Aeronautic Engineering, set to begin in Ebonyi State, is not solely owned by the state government, but is instead backed by the Turkish government. In response, the Ebonyi State government has swiftly addressed these claims. Officials have clarified that the university project is entirely owned and operated by the Ebonyi State government. This quick rebuttal claims to dispel any confusion and reaffirm the state's commitment to enhancing its educational infrastructure independently. The government remains focused on ensuring the successful implementation of this significant educational initiative. Under the leadership of Governor Francis Ogbonanwefuru, ongoing works and repairs at the Oferipe water scheme and pipeline are in full swing. These efforts, part of a broader initiative to improve water infrastructure across Ebonyi State, aim to ensure that clean, accessible water reaches every corner of the state. The governor's commitment to addressing water needs is a key component of his Charter of Needs, reflecting his dedication to enhancing the quality of life for all residents. Additionally, other water schemes throughout the state are being upgraded to expand the reach of clean water to even the most remote areas. During the week, Governor Francis Ogbonanwefuru of Ebonyi State swore in 13 new local government chairmen, the vice chairman, members of the Ebonyi State Local Government Advisory Committee, Permanent Secretary Dr. Darlington Mbam, and Senior Special Assistants to the Governor on Project Development and Ombudsman, Honorable Obina Onwe. The swearing-in ceremony was attended by National Assembly members from Ebonyi State, various stakeholders, and a broad representation of Ebonyans. Governor Nwifuru addressed the new appointees, highlighting the high expectations from the public and urging them to fulfill their duties in line with the community's needs. The event marked a significant step in the state's governance and development efforts. That's all for this week's edition of Ebonyi People TV News Recap. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Monday. Same time, same channel.